Ever wondered how Christmas is celebrated in the tropical land of Vietnam? Well, it's a blend of East meets West, a fusion of tradition and modernity that creates a unique festive atmosphere. In the heart of this celebration is the bustling city of Ho Chi Minh, known for its vibrant nightlife that takes a festive turn during Christmas. Picture streets adorned with lights, bustling markets, and a city that never sleeps, all in the throes of Yuletide cheer. Stay tuned as we delve into the streets of Vietnam during Christmas. Imagine walking through the streets of Ho Chi Minh City during Christmas. The city is alive with a festive energy that seems to sparkle in the air. Everywhere you look, the streets are dressed in a dazzling array of Christmas decorations. Strings of lights twinkle like stars, strung across the bustling streets and hung from the tall buildings. They cast a warm, inviting glow that dances across the city, reflecting off the various ornaments and tinsel that adorn the cityscape. It's as if the entire city has been dipped in a pool of Christmas spirit, emerging brighter, more vibrant than ever before. Then there's the food. The aroma of Vietnamese street food blends deliciously with the crisp winter air. The scent of grilled meats, fresh herbs and spices waft through the streets, tempting passers-by with their tantalizing smells. Street vendors offer a myriad of treats, from sizzling skewers to hot steaming bowls of pho, each dish adding its own unique flavor to the festive atmosphere. But it's the people that truly bring the streets to life. You can feel the excitement and joy radiating from every corner. Families, friends, couples, all wearing their brightest smiles and most festive attire fill the streets. They're shopping, eating, laughing, singing, their happiness infectious and their energy palpable. And yes, there are many pretty ladies, their vibrant dresses adding an extra dash of color to the scene. Their eyes sparkle with delight, mirroring the twinkling lights that decorate the city. The streets of Ho Chi Minh City during Christmas are a symphony of sights, sounds, and smells. It's a sensory feast that pulls you in, immerses you in its rhythm, and leaves you feeling a part of something much bigger than yourself. It's a celebration of life, of community, of the season's joy and warmth. There's something truly magical about Christmas in Ho Chi Minh City. It's an experience that leaves you with a sense of wonder and a heart full of joy. This is just a glimpse of what the streets of Vietnam look like during Christmas. Now, what makes Christmas in Vietnam stand out? Well, you're about to find out. Vietnam, a predominantly Buddhist country, does not officially celebrate Christmas, but don't let that fool you. The holiday spirit is as vibrant and lively here as anywhere else in the world, thanks to the country's French colonial past and the influence of Western traditions. The first thing that strikes you is the focus on community. Christmas in Vietnam is less about gift giving and more about spending quality time with friends and family. It's a time for reunions, laughter, and shared experiences, fostering a sense of unity and togetherness that is truly heartwarming. The streets come alive during this time, transforming into a dazzling spectacle of lights and decorations. Bustling street festivals are a common sight, with locals and tourists alike reveling in the festive atmosphere. The air is filled with the sound of Christmas carols sung in Vietnamese, adding a unique local twist to the familiar melodies. Of course, we can't talk about Christmas in Vietnam without mentioning the food. The holiday is a culinary extravaganza, featuring a mix of traditional Vietnamese delicacies and Christmas classics. From the hearty pho to the festive banh mi, the flavors of Vietnam are as much a part of the Christmas celebration as the twinkling lights and cheerful songs. What's fascinating is how seamlessly Western traditions are incorporated with local customs. You'll see locals attending midnight mass, then heading to the night markets to enjoy the local street food. Santa Claus, or Ong Jia Noel as he's known here, is a popular figure, with children eagerly awaiting his arrival and the gifts he brings. This fusion of cultures creates a unique Christmas experience that is distinctly Vietnamese. The spirit of the holiday is captured not in the grandeur of the celebrations, but in the simplicity of the traditions and the warmth of the people. As you can see, Christmas in Vietnam is a blend of the old and new, the local and the global. It's a testament to the country's ability to embrace change while staying true to its roots. And that, in essence, is what makes Christmas in Vietnam truly special. No celebration in Vietnam is complete without a mention of food, and Christmas is no exception. The heart of any celebration, the food, is a symphony of flavors that tells a story of its own. In Vietnam, food is more than just sustenance. It's a language of love, a bridge that connects people, and a tradition passed down through generations. And come Christmas, the food scene in Vietnam is like a grand feast, a culinary carnival if you will, that beckons one and all. Let's start with the traditional dishes that take center stage during the Christmas celebrations. The bang xeo, a savory fried pancake filled with pork, shrimp, and bean sprouts, is a must-have. Its crispy golden shell and flavorful filling make it a crowd favorite. Then we have the banh mi, a Vietnamese sandwich that's an explosion of flavors. Stuffed with various meats, pickled vegetables, and fresh herbs, it's a perfect blend of savory, sweet, and tangy flavors. Street food, an integral part of the Vietnamese food culture, also gets a festive twist. Imagine steaming bowls of pho, a fragrant noodle soup, being served under the twinkling Christmas lights. Or the sizzling sound of bo la lot, minced beef wrapped in betel leaf being grilled on an open fire. The aromas wafting through the air are simply irresistible, and who can forget the Christmas specials? The streets of Ho Chi Minh City come alive with pop-up stalls selling traditional Christmas cakes and pastries. The bánh chưng, a square-shaped sticky rice cake filled with mung beans and pork, is a holiday staple. And then there's the bánh tét, a similar cake but in a cylindrical shape that's specifically associated with Christmas. So you see, the food here is not just about satisfying your taste buds, it's about experiencing the culture, the traditions, and the warmth of the Vietnamese people. It's about sharing a meal with locals and feeling a sense of belonging even if you're miles away from home. The food, indeed, adds a flavor of its own to the festive cheer. But what truly captures the essence of Christmas in Vietnam? Let's delve into the heart of it, the spirit of Christmas that wraps itself around every corner of Vietnam, especially in the vibrant city of Ho Chi Minh. The spirit isn't just in the twinkling lights, the festive decorations, or the aromatic food, it's in the air. It's in the smiles of the people, the laughter that echoes through the streets, the excited chatter that fills the air. Christmas in Vietnam is a time of unity, of community bonding, and it's this camaraderie that truly defines the season. The spirit of Christmas here is not just about the gifts under the tree, it's about the gift of togetherness. It's about families gathering, friends reuniting, and strangers becoming friends. It's about the joy of shared experiences, the warmth of shared meals, and the love that is shared during this special time. In Vietnam, Christmas is also a time of generosity and giving. It's not uncommon to see people volunteering their time, their skills, their resources to help those less fortunate. This spirit of generosity extends beyond the family, beyond the community. It reaches out to touch the lives of those who need it the most. And this spirit, this joy, this love, this generosity, it's all reflected in the street scenes of Ho Chi Minh City. The streets come alive with the spirit of Christmas, every corner radiating with the joy and love of the season. The city becomes a living testament to the spirit of Christmas in Vietnam, a mirror reflecting the heart and soul of its people. So if you ever find yourself wandering the streets of Ho Chi Minh City during Christmas, take a moment to soak in the spirit of the season. Listen to the laughter, feel the warmth, witness the generosity, and let the spirit of Christmas in Vietnam touch your heart. And that, my friends, is the true magic of Christmas in Vietnam. So, that was a sneak peek into the Christmas celebrations in Vietnam. We started our journey with the question, a Christmas in Vietnam ever wondered? And found ourselves immersed in a world of vibrant streets, unique celebrations, and heartwarming food. The streets, alive with the spirit of the season, were a visual treat teeming with life and light. Vietnam's unique Christmas celebrations, a blend of Western traditions and Vietnamese customs, added an exotic twist to the holiday season. We also got a taste of the heart of the celebration, the food. From the traditional banh mi to the festive bánh chưng, the Vietnamese culinary scene during Christmas is a gastronomic wonderland. The flavors, the aromas, the textures, everything comes together to create a symphony of taste that is uniquely Vietnamese. And finally, we experience the spirit of Christmas in Vietnam. The joy, the love, the warmth, it's all palpable. It's not just about the lights and the decorations, but also about the people and their love for each other. It's about coming together as a community and celebrating the joys of life. In conclusion, a Christmas in Vietnam is an experience like no other. It's a journey of discovery, a journey of taste, and most importantly, a journey of love and joy. So, why not make Vietnam your next Christmas destination?